Shining 3DS is a design product consultant service provider. We provide 3D drawing services in many fields, especially automotive parts, packaging, houseware, and everything related to reverse engineering. We offer a total package from concept/sample part to final 3D drawing and product sample. SHINERGY 3DS is a metamorphosis of Sanjaya PCC. Based on the principle of prioritizing quality and consistently gaining the trust of customers who have made SHINERGY 3DS an important player in the world of reverse engineering in Indonesia. We serve 3D scanning, 3D designing, 3D printing, also reverse engineering, 3D scanning, 3D design, 3D printing, reverse engineering, We have served more than 100 customers throughout Indonesia. We have completed thousands of works and will continue to increase. And many more. A team with more than 20 years of experience. Your reverse engineering partner. www.shinergy3ds.com